I stayed in the car because I wanted to.
Yeah.
Life was great. I got to see like the bodybuilders of the 2000s. I got to train at the gym and shower at the gym, and The Rock came through. There's like a old picture of me and The Rock somewhere where I'm in my Gold's Gym Club Store shirt, and he's fucking doing this one. And like, I got to see all these people, and it was fucking cool. And I wouldn't have left if they took the car away and I had to sleep in the parking lot. Like I was by choice. You know, you slept on the beanbag because you wanted to be there.
And the fun fact is
Look at that.
That's this is me in the background right there. No, keep that.